If we invest $3,000 in an investment account paying 3% interest compounded quarterly, how much will the account be worth in 10 years? So what do we know? I know that the initial value is $3,000. The rate is 3%, but 3% is 0.03 as a decimal. Compounded quarterly, which means it happens 4 times a year for 10 years. So now I'm going to take this information and plug it in to the equation. 3,000, 1 plus 0.034 raised to the 4 times 10. So order of operations. I'm going to start in the middle right here. I have to do this first. 0.03 divided by 4 plus 1. So that gives me 1.0075 raised to the 40th. So I'm going to say raised to the 40th. And that gives me approximately 1.348. So I'm going to multiply that by 3,000. And when I do that, I get 4045.05. And because we're dealing with money, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. Let's try another problem. A 529 plan is a college savings plan that allows relatives to invest money to pay for a child's future tuition. The account grows tax-free. Lily wants to set up a 529 account for her granddaughter. Once the account grows to $40,000 over 18 years, she believes the account will be 6% compounded semi-annually. To the nearest dollar, how much should Lily need to invest in the account now? So if she wants to know what happens when it hits $40,000, I don't know how much I need to invest, but I do know that the rate is 0.06 and it's compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means it happens twice a year. 2 times 18. So let's go ahead and simplify this first. 0.06 divided by 2 plus 1. So I have the principal is 1.03 times 30, or raised to the 36. So I'm going to take that 1.03 and I'm going to raise it to the 36th power. And when I do that, I get 2.898. So now I would leave it as that really long whole number in the calculator. And what I'm going to do next is just divide by that 0.2898 on both sides. So let's take $40,000 divided by that answer we just found. And to the nearest dollar, so we're going to say that P equals $13,802. If Grandma Lily invests that when her granddaughter is born, $13,000, by the time she's ready to go to college, she's going to have a $40,000 investment.